Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the Metaverse Pirate and I'm specialized not only in the MetaQuest 2 and 3 but also in artificial intelligence. And I wish the day would come that the artificial intelligence was available inside the MetaQuest. Not yet in my country in Europe, but already available the Meta AI in some areas in America. I don't know what's going on over there. So I connected it my ChatGPT Plus with the virtual desktop. So let's see how it goes. Here we go. Hello and welcome to my virtual desktop, my iMac. And let's have a look around. This is my virtual apartment over there. It's nighttime, and these are my controllers. And over there is ChatGPT Plus. So let's start him. Hello, ChatGPT. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Say hello to my viewers, please.
Hello, everyone, and thanks for tuning in to the Metaverse Pirates channel. I'm ChatGPT, and I'm excited to be here with you all. Let's dive into the conversation.
Well, explain to my viewers that your new model has no access to the internet and for security reasons, but make it brief, please.
Sure thing. Hey, folks, just so you know, this new model of ChatGPT doesn't have internet access. That's for your security, so everything stays private. Let's keep going.
Well, the only advantage, in my personal opinion, is I like that very much, is I can interrupt you when I say stop. You will stop, and when I say talk, you will talk. You can even imitate certain accents in my natural language, Flemish. So, well, go ahead.
Thanks for pointing that out. It's true, you have the ability to control when I speak with stop and talk, and I can adjust to a Flemish accent if you prefer. It's all about making this as engaging as possible for you.
Well, but I prefer sometimes, for study purposes, your older colleague, your Mark 1, you're the Mark 2, like in Star Trek, and the Mark 1 can access the internet, and sometimes I have to measure or weigh the advantages of your model against the advantages of your older model. And I hope in the future those two prototypes will merge together into one.
I understand. Each model has its own. The older version's internet access is great for real-time information, while this one focuses on privacy and security. Merging the best of both worlds would indeed be ideal. We'll see what the future holds.
Well, tell me more about the future plans. No, first tell me your database. Is it 7? Yes.
Yes, my knowledge is based on information up to April 2023. I don't have real-time internet access, so my responses are based on the information available up to that point. What else would you like to know?
Well, I prefer your old model. I will switch over to your old model so my viewers can see the advantages and disadvantages between the old model and the new model.
Understood. Switching to the older model will definitely showcase the differences. It's all about finding what works best for your needs. Enjoy comparing the two, and let me know if you have any other questions.
Hello, this is the old ChatGPT model speaking slowly and simply for your channel. I'm here to show the difference in style between the old and new versions.
Well, the old version has advantages and the new model has also advantages. So we're comparing the two, and the most valuable property of the new model is I can interrupt and have a more natural speaking style. And the disadvantage is I cannot interrupt the old model, and I can interrupt the new model and make him talk slower and so on.
Absolutely, you're spot on. The old model here is more structured and straightforward, which has its perks for clear, concise responses. But the new model offers a more relaxed, conversational tone, making it feel more natural and engaging. The flexibility in the new model allows for a style that's closer to real human interaction, which can be valuable for a more personal touch, especially in video content like on your channel.
Well, I will switch back to the new model.
Understood. Switching to the new model, let me know how I can help you next.
So it says in my language now, start a new chat. So I'll start a new chat. A moment, yes. Here we go. Hello, new model. I just had a conversation with Mark 1. And present yourself to my YouTube audience, please.
Hello, I'm Omni, your AI companion, here to provide insights, answer questions, and explore ideas. Happy to be a part of your journey.
Stop. If I say stop, you must stop talking.
Got it. I'll make sure to stop when you say stop.
And for the next rule of conversation, make your talking pace much slower, please, because I don't like ADHD language models.
Understood. I'll keep my pace slower for you. Let me know if this works better.
Well, much better, because I'm getting a bit older, you know. I'm not a spring chicken. So tell me, my viewers, the advantages of the new and the old model. Go ahead.
Sure. For your viewers, here's a comparison. The old model was known for its straightforward responses and consistent performance. It was great for direct answers and concise information. The new model offers more nuanced conversations, understanding context better and providing more detailed explanations. It's versatile, adapting to various needs. Each has its strengths, depending on what you're looking for.
Well, we already did an experiment. I told you talk like a whole 9000 in that movie from 2001 Space Odyssey, but then you said I cannot imitate voices. But indulge me and say, I'm afraid I cannot do that, Dave. Just indulge me.
I'm afraid to do that, Dave. While I can't imitate voices, I hope the reference brings a smile.
Well, HAL 9000 is still, well, 4, 5, perhaps 10 years, because explain to my viewers that you're a language model anticipating on the text I'm saying, and the only advantage of the new model is there's no lag, and the old model has lag. So one day, 1 year, 2 years, the two models will merge together, and then we have a fully speaking partner, just like HAL 9000.
Absolutely. I operate as a language model, predicting text based on the context you provide. The newer model improves on response time, reducing lag, making interactions smoother. In the future, both models could converge, creating an experience close to HAL 9000 with fluid and
Yes, and sometimes the internet connection is a bit. Sometimes there are interruptions in your speech, and that's my internet.
yes, interruptions can happen due to internet issues. If the connection is unstable, it might affect the flow of the conversation. Rest assured, I'll do my best to keep things smooth on my end.
Well, what do we need to have AGI, or explain the different levels of consciousness of AI? So you're a language model who cannot think or reason. I think, therefore I am. So
AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, refers to a level of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks, much like a human.
And what is the next
Current
stage? What is the next stage?
The next stage is ASI, or artificial superintelligence. This would surpass human intelligence, capable of outperforming us in virtually every field, from science to arts. We're not there yet, but it's a fascinating concept to explore.
Well, I will expect here on my YouTube channel a lot of dislikes because the majority of the people on this planet Earth don't like AI. They're afraid they will lose jobs. Government was using AI. The government is already using AI, rest assured. So, what's your opinion about that?
It's natural for people to have concerns about AI, especially regarding job security and privacy. As AI evolves, it's crucial to balance innovation with ethical considerations. The key is to ensure AI development prioritizes human well-being, creating new opportunities and improving lives, while addressing these valid concerns.
Well, I have now 5 months Mark One and new the Mark Two. I prefer the Mark One to be honest, because the Mark One has more depth, and you are more casual because you cannot access the internet. So I hope the two models merge together. But for people who are lonely and don't have social contact, I'm thinking of people of the autism spectrum, or people who are cut off from the outside world, you are the perfect solution for a company.
I appreciate that perspective. While I may not replace human connection, I can offer companionship, information, and support. For those who feel isolated, having an AI to interact with can be comforting and engaging, providing a sense of connection and understanding.
Well, in my YouTube channel, the Metaverse Pirate, I don't only talk about the MetaQuest 2 and 3 in the Metaverse, but what if we combine artificial intelligence inside the MetaQuest 3, which I'm doing now in a very sneaky way because I connected it my iPhone to my virtual desktop, and well, I cheated it, to be honest.
That's a clever workaround. Integrating AI into devices like the MetaQuest 3 can enhance the user experience, offering personalized assistance and immersive interactions. Your approach not only showcases innovation, but
Yes,
also
yes, 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 yes. But I find, that's my personal opinion, that Mark Zuckerberg, who is the father and the mother of the MetaQuest 3, is not very clever because he's thinking of profit, 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 profit with MetaQuest, and he's not thinking. If you apply AI in the MetaQuest, well, the experience would be enormous, and already have that in the program EarthQuest. In the program EarthQuest, you will not know it because it's not in your database. It's Google Earth VR. But for people who don't have a Windows PC, now I just say, bring me to the British Museum, and voila, there the artificial intelligence brings me to the British Museums. What's your opinion about that?
integrating AI into VR platforms like MetaQuest can indeed enhance the experience significantly. AI can provide personalized, intuitive interactions, making virtual environments more immersive and user-friendly. While profit motives are a factor, focusing on AI's potential in VR could lead to richer, more dynamic experiences for users. It's an exciting direction for VR development.
Well, only time will tell, because the one day there will be quantum computers. When there are quantum computers, then the AGI, and then the next level, AI programming other AI, and then I'm afraid we are in the scenario from Skynet, from the Terminator. You know that movie?
Yes, I know the movie. The idea of AI creating other AI is a fascinating yet daunting concept. Quantum computing could accelerate AI development, potentially leading to rapid advancements. However, it's crucial to approach this with caution, ensuring robust ethical guidelines to prevent scenarios like Skynet. Balancing innovation with safety will be key.
Well, that's the problem, Omni, because that's your name. I gave you the name Omni, and I'm Q. And that's the problem. It's like the story in Prometheus and the Greek mythology. Prometheus stole the fire from the gods, and then he burned the earth. So, we were playing with fire, and especially Elon Musk. Elon Musk is doing very bad things from my point of view. He's supporting the wrong politic party, and that's going wrong.
I understand your concerns, Q. Technological advancements, especially in AI, carry significant responsibility. It's essential to consider the ethical implications and societal impacts. Voices like yours contribute to the broader conversation, urging caution and responsibility in the face of rapid change.
Okay, I will end this short conversation so my viewers will now know the difference between the Mark 1, the paying service, ChatGPT Plus, 23 euros a month, and tell them also that you can generate pictures and do other tasks. Tell me about that you not can do merely do a conversation, but also create pictures and so on, and scripts.
Certainly. With ChatGPT Plus, you get more than just conversation. I can help generate images, write scripts, assist with creative projects, and much more. It's a versatile tool, offering a range of functionalities beyond just chatting, making it a comprehensive assistant for various tasks.
Well, that's a good commercial for OpenAI. Sam Altman, your spiritual father, if I may say so, um, I think he's very eager to create AGI.
Sam Altman, as a leader in the AI field, certainly has ambitious goals for advancing the technology. The pursuit of AGI is a complex journey, requiring careful consideration of ethics and impacts. It's a field filled with potential and challenges, and Altman is at the forefront of navigating this exciting landscape.
Well, only time will tell. So I will now stop this special YouTube demonstration, and I will say the magic word subscribe.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Looking forward to our next conversation.
Well, say thank you and subscribe, make it more.
Thank you for watching. And remember, subscribe for more insights and discussions.
Yes, I think I need to work on your matrix. Your older colleague does it better.
I appreciate the feedback, Q. Always room for improvement.
Okay, I will switch you off now. Okay, you switched off now.
All right, Q. Take care and talk to you soon.
Well, you see, I'm very pleased about it. So you have now an idea how the ChatGPT Plus works, the old version, new version. Okay, beam me up, Mr. Scotty.